Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix HP printer won't connect to Wi-Fi. Basically, the easiest first thing to do is to restart the device, making sure that we don't encounter any bugs or glitches within the system. From there, just press the power button, shut it off, and then you want to turn it on back in. Right after, we then want to reset the printer's Wi-Fi to the default, and we want to re-enter the credentials. So you want to press the Wi-Fi button on your remote or on the printer itself, and from there you will be able to reset your connection. Lastly, you then want to look for the diagnose and fix tool inside the HP Smart application. You can get this from your mobile devices or for your Windows computer. Simply head over to the application, navigate through your printer, and from there you then want to open up the diagnose and fix tool, and this will detect and resolve your network errors. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.